Welcome to Beautyistic, where we focus on making beauty accessible, authentic, and most importantly, fun. If you're someone who wants flawless skin but with a natural finish, this product might just be your next must-have. Today we're looking at Perricone MD's No Makeup Foundation Serum, a product that promises a radiant matte finish while offering skincare benefits. Let's dive into how this foundation serum stacks up against expectations. The Perricone MD No Makeup Foundation Serum is designed to offer a lightweight alternative to traditional foundations. It comes in a serum form, which immediately caught my attention because serums are generally lighter and more hydrating than regular foundations. This product promises to even out your complexion while providing a natural, breathable finish. Now let's talk about what's inside. The serum is formulated with key ingredients aimed at improving skin's appearance over time. It's made with a blend of skin-loving ingredients like antioxidants, peptides, and soothing agents, designed to enhance the skin's texture and tone. If you're looking for a foundation that doubles as skincare, this product certainly leans into that idea. The formula is also fragrance-free, which is always a bonus for those with sensitive skin. From a real-world testing perspective, I found that applying this serum is a breeze. The texture is light, almost gel-like, which spreads effortlessly across the face. It's ideal for people who prefer something low maintenance, as it blends in quickly with fingers or a brush. When applied, it has a satin-like finish that sets into a matte look, which is great for people with combination or oily skin. It doesn't leave the face feeling sticky or greasy, and I didn't feel the need to touch up throughout the day. However, it's important to note that the coverage is quite sheer. So if you're looking for something that fully covers blemishes or heavy discoloration, this might not be your go-to product. But if you're into light to medium coverage with a natural look, it does an excellent job at evening out the complexion without feeling heavy. When it comes to pros, this product excels in its hydrating properties and natural finish. It's great for a fresh, dewy look that doesn't look cakey. I also appreciate the fact that it's formulated for all skin types, making it a versatile choice. On the flip side, the coverage is not as buildable as a full coverage foundation, so it might not suit those who need a lot of correction from their foundation. Also, while the serum is hydrating, it doesn't have the same longevity as a more traditional liquid foundation. For its price point, it does offer good value, especially when you consider the added skincare benefits. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some drugstore options with similar matte, lightweight finishes that might work just as well for your needs. Now, compared to other similar products, this one stands out because of its serum-like texture and added skincare ingredients. It's not just about covering imperfections, it's about giving your skin a little extra TLC while you wear it. But if you're after something that offers more coverage and a quicker application, you might prefer a regular foundation formula. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The pump dispenser makes it easy to control how much you use, preventing waste. The bottle is glass, which gives it a luxe feel, but might not be ideal for travel. Finally, the customer service from Perricone MD has a reputation for being responsive, and their products are widely available. So if you ever need assistance, you're likely to get prompt support. As for alternatives, if this serum seems a bit out of your price range, there are plenty of similar products that offer a similar finish, like the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare, which also blends skincare and makeup, but at a slightly lower price point. So would I recommend this? If you're looking for a serum-based foundation with skincare benefits and a light, breathable finish, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those with normal to oily skin who want a natural, matte look without the weight of a traditional foundation. If you need more coverage or a longer-lasting product, though, this might not be your best bet. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this product can be found in the description box below. Have you used Perricone MD No Makeup Foundation Serum? Drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.